Hello everyone, introduce me Pramutya GALUH GAYATRI from Management Class 23C with NPM 2341164. Here I will discuss about samples in research. Sample in Research 1. Definition of sample. Definition of sample. Sample is part of the population selected to represent the entire population in a study. Purpose of using sample. Save time and money, and allow researchers to conduct more in-depth analysis without having to collect data from the entire population. 2. Importance of sample selection. Ensure that research results can be generalized to a wider population, reduce bias in data collection, improve the accuracy and validity of research results. 3. Types of samples. A. Probability samples. Every member of the population has an equal chance of being selected. Types of probability samples. 1. Simple random sample. Every member of the population has an equal chance of being selected. 2. Systematic sample. 3. Stratified sample. 4. Cluster sample. B. Non-probability. Samples members of the population do not have an equal chance of being selected. Types of non-probability samples. 1. Purposive sample. 2. Convenience samples. 3. Quota sample. 4. Sampling techniques. Steps in sampling. 1. Define the population. Clearly define who is the population in the study. 2. Select the sampling technique. Decide whether to use a probability or non-probability sample. 3. Determine the sample size. 4. Draw the sample. 5. Sample size factors affecting sample size variability in the population. The greater the variability, the larger the sample size required. Confidence level. The sample size should be large enough to achieve the desired level of confidence. Margin of error. The sample size should be sufficient to reduce the acceptable margin of error. 6. Conclusion. Appropriate sample selection is critical to the validity and reliability of research results. Understanding the types and techniques of sampling can assist researchers in designing effective research.